All right, Sylvia here, and I am at a vista point on the coast. This is Pebble Beach Drive in Crescent City. And you can see it's absolutely gorgeous day, bright blue skies. And the ocean is looking pretty fierce today, a big, big wind. And that is Castle Rock. It's a refuge, a bird wildlife refuge. About 100,000 birds live on that island. There's no way to get to the island. It's about half a mile off the coast, but it is off limits. It's a marine and bird sanctuary. But absolutely gorgeous day. But since it is so windy out, I am going to let the wind dictate my route today. And I'm gonna find a road where I can be a little bit more sheltered. All right, let's go. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. All right, so I'm out just on a ride in the neighborhood in Crescent City. It's very, very windy today. And the route that I often take, which goes past the Supermax prison, it's a little bit uncomfortable. It's so windy. And so I've turned off, going inland a little bit more from the coast on Elk Valley Road, which is a beautiful, beautiful road. It has a big shoulder, so it's safe for biking. And I thought I would take a road that I haven't biked on today called Wonderstump. And it's in just a gorgeous grove of redwoods. And this part of Wonderstump is got a nice shoulder and it's open and warm. But when it turns into the redwoods, there really is no shoulder. It's very, very narrow. And recently, there was a big push to widen this road, and they were going to cut down a lot of the redwoods. And everybody just said, no, we do not want to have these redwoods cut down. And so they've canceled that project, which is very nice. Not much traffic on this road, and you can probably see that the shoulder has disappeared, and it really turns into a one lane road. And so if you come down this road, if you're driving, everybody kind of has to pull over and let cars pass one at a time. This is the first vehicle that I'm passing on this road. So I've taken a little dirt road off of Wonderstump, and I'm not very far on this road, and there's a little golf course back here. How fun is this? Little dirt road. We'll see how far it goes. Probably doesn't go very far, but we'll see. Just never know what you're gonna find unless you take these little roads. But my gosh, it's so beautiful here. I think this might be somebody's driveway. Yeah, private property. Keep out. All right, I'll turn it around. Oh, looks like there's a little outhouse here for maybe an electrical meter or something. Haha, very cute. All right, turning this trike around, heading back down this dirt road. I think it's called Cal Paradise Road. I talked to a homeowner here and he showed me some of his property and suggested that I come down here and said there was a surprise back here, so I'm pretty sure he means the golf course. And his property had a lot of stumps on it, big stumps. And he was kind enough to let me ride through and get some pictures. But yeah, how funny, huh? Looks like there's really just a few holes. Not really a whole golf course, but even still, that's pretty cool. Yeah, here's another hole for the golf course. Golfing in the redwoods. Yeah, that's okay. Head on down Wonderstump and see what else is going on this road. Yes, there's a big stump. All right, so I've had a lovely ride up and back on Wonderstump. All right, you guys, I hope everybody is safe and healthy and able to get out and ride their trikes. Oh, it's just been such a godsend through this time that I can go and ride my trike. I still have no idea how long I will be here. I was really hoping that we would see the coronavirus start to taper off, but here in the United States, that just isn't happening. And so, you know, it's just postponing when I can get back on the road. So we will just have to wait and see. But I really couldn't ask for a nicer place to be. It's beautiful, lovely places to ride. But it's just been absolutely gorgeous. Bright sunshine now that it's summer. This is the Pacific Northwest, so for sure 6-8 months of the year there's quite a bit of rain. But now it's great. Loving it. So all right, you guys, take care. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know how you're doing. And as always, thank you for watching.